Dow Jones and Nasdaq lost a bit yesterday, traded in red, recovered a bit. Now again with the interest rate hike decision from Bank of Japan and the commentary and the monetary policy has taken a dig on both the indices. You can see now it is dropped below 32,600 levels, and in fact US 100 had gone close to 11,000 levels. So what to expect? Can we expect a rise later in the day, or they are going to trade in red? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts. Classical curve here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and again trying to take a direction. But is it going to continue from here, or is it going to reverse? A reversal confirmation is only if US 100 trades above 11,200 and 11, you can say, see 11,400 ultimately is there. That is going to be a good confirmation of reversal. But for on the hourly charts, yes, if you see it trading about first at 11,200 and then at 11,300, this zone is important. Beyond that, certainly we can expect that there could be a possible rise. Now if you look at the channel here, yes, on the downside the support should be seen here somewhere at around 11,000 10,980 levels. Only and only if it breaks below 10,970, further bearishness can be expected. And on the same side, 11,100 level certainly should be a good resistance level. Now see, directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic falling from the cliff, it was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is again trying to cross over for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see retracement, couple of red candles retracement, first red candle. So possibility, unless and until it trades above 11,100, do not consider this as bullish. Yes, beyond 11,100 120 you can expect it to rise a little. Directional movement comfortable. The MACD is trying to trade with divergence on the sell side. RSI is again entering into oversold zone. So possibility of a bounce back also is there. But then a good confirmation is first it trades above 11,120, then 11,200 and then 11,300. Successively it has to break past 11,400 for it to trade bullish from here. Now if you look at it, is trading in this downward trending channel on the 3-hour charts too. If you look at the directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic at the bottom, the MACD divergent and bearish here, and again see, if you look at this, this is also almost trading at bottom on the 3-hour chart. There is a possibility of a reversal. I'll be definitely watchful of. RSI is also trading near to oversold levels. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, see this is what it is trying to do. On the upside now 11,100, on the downside 10,980. Yes, it has to break past this zone, that is 10,980, 10,9, rather I'll say 10,970 to 11,120. For this 150 points, you have to be observant and do not rush into trade here. Right now it is trading with good bearishness. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI oversold here on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, it is breached. This is the first red candle, this is the second red candle. And definitely the support at 10,980, 10,970 has to be there. And this may show you swing in between these levels, because below 10,970 directly I will look forward to 10,920, 10,880, which is a very strong support zone. Remember, it is already trading outside Bollinger Bands and there could be a possible pullback. The directional movement here is divergent bearish, stochastic is oversold, the MACD is extremely divergent and bearish, the RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, do not trade between 10,970 and 11,120 levels for this 150 points. Let's be observant. Below 10,970, you can expect 10,940, 10,920 and 10,880. Till 10,880, there are good support. Below that, you can expect 10,800 and 10,660 levels. I don't think that it may fall till there, but these are markets and they have taken a negative turn certainly, so it may continue with the bearish momentum. You have to be watchful till 11,120. Do not consider this as bullish. Beyond 11,120, definitely it's a buy, and then you can expect 11,180, 200 and then 11,300 and 400. Till 400, you should not consider this bullish. Beyond 11,400, definitely it will try to fly high. You have to wait for those levels to break. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now US 32 US30 has seen a retracement, then a sharp drop retracement, and then a drop. So this is also trying to trade in this bearish channel. The bottom of this channel now at 32,400 levels, and yes, the probability that it can achieve those levels on the upside, you have to wait for it to break past 32,800 in order to sustain the bullishness. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought looking downwards. The MACD is again converging, crossing over for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see, it has taken a sharp red candle now with the BOJ's monetary policy, which it was watching for, and now trying to trade bearish. But see, the sharper the drop, the sharper the rise. There is a support here at 32,550, because below that certainly it may try to look forward to 32,400 levels. So in between 32,550 and 32,800, let's be cautious here. Beyond 32,800, definitely it will show you the little strength. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge, crossover for sell. RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour, now look at the 3-hour charts. See, it is still some room for it to drop further, and only if it trades below 32,550 you can sell for 32,470, 32,400, and then in fact it can drop below till towards 32,350 levels, which is a very good support. Now, directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic at moderate levels. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The RSI is also looking downward. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Bearish candle, reversal, then again a sharp bearish candle. After this retracement, it is again trying to trade in this channel, but support here at 32,550 is very good, because below that definitely this candle may stretch more till towards 32,400 levels. In fact, the next candle might try to take it till towards those levels. You have to stay cautious for 32,550 today. Stochastic trading at bottom. The MACD is bearish, trying to convert. The stock RSI also trading oversold on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, first thing is created the base, and again, see, I'll wait for it to break past, because see, if this is a bearish candle, if this sustains, it can be a big bearish candle, which might in fact take it for 32,400, 32,200 levels. You have to stay watchful and alert here. At the same time, trading above 32,800, then only we can consider this for a bullish move. Stochastic is oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, only a buy position is above 32,800 levels. It is far away, and on the downside you can sell at 32,550 for this 250 points. Do not take any positions in Dow Jones. Let's be watchful. It has dropped sharply here. Sharper the drop, sharper the rise. Hence, you have to trade with caution. You have to watch a little before taking a position. Remember, this is the first red candle for the day on the hourly and 4-hour charts. Possibly, the next candle will decide the direction. However, on the hourly charts is also oversold, and hence a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. But till 32,800, you have to stay alert. Only above that, I will recommend you to buy this. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.